think that Meta would follow through as well. But this one is struggling, and it's struggling below the 50-day moving average. Today, it's Friday, October 10th, 2025, and what I have is the daily chart of Meta right here. We can see that it was trying to hold the orange line, which is my 50-day moving average, and I'll point it out for you folks, which is my 50-day moving average right here. It tried to hold right here back in August. It did hold, shot up, came back down, and held around the 50-day moving average here until in September, until it finally failed it in October right here. So around beginning of this month in October, it failed the 50-day moving average, and now it's basically testing the 100-day moving average. The 100-day moving average, it's a little bit harder to see, which is the sort of darkish blue purple line right here. And then you have the 200-day moving average, which is the pink line right here. You would think that, in a time period where AI and them acquiring $100 million talent, it would be a pretty exciting stock. But right now, that's just not the case. And if you look above, it seems like there is a headline right here, at least by the AI. It says New York files another lawsuit against Meta Platforms on its social media related impact, right? So interesting take. It's not a doom and gloom yet, in my opinion. We do have earnings coming up. I really find it difficult to see this one going down lower, but doesn't mean that it can't go lower, right? Price action is price action, and we just have to let it take us where it wants to take us. To get another perspective, right, we could always zoom out and take off the annotation right there. You can see that, well, even though it's down in the near term, in the long term, it's still trending up higher. So nothing looks bad yet from a monthly chart perspective as we're looking at right here. Maybe just a little bit of weakness on the daily chart, but earnings is coming up. And, if we could reclaim that 50-day moving average, I think it could look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think.